No. The fact that I haven't did anything to my hair since the last time you saw me is diabolical. Hey you guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back. My name is Kelsea Rae, and yes, I'm crusty and dusty, but you know what? That's because we're here to get uncrusty. I have had my hair like this since the last time y'all saw me. Yeah, I have had my hair like this since before Mother's Day, because I think I took my braids out before Mother's Day, did a braid out, wore that, and that was the hairstyle this whole time. So once it started getting ugly, I started putting it up, and now we're here, literally a bird's nest. So this is my hair. This is what we working with. Like I said, I had a braid out, and once that braid out started getting old, I just kept putting it in a ponytail. Honestly, the real truth of the matter is that I'm scared of postpartum hair loss. So in my brain, I feel like if I don't comb my hair can't fall out.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Does it look like I'm losing my hair or no? Is it giving bald? We'll find out. But I'm going to comb my hair with you guys, and we're gonna see how much a hair comes out of this detangling process, because that's my part that I'm very nervous about. I think I'm gonna wash my hair, deep condition it, and blow dry it for the video, because I want to see where it is lengthwise, and I also want to just kind of have it blown out so it won't be in a shrinking like stage, because this causes more of those little knots that be knotting up on your strands. So I'm going to stretch the hair out to see if I can get less knots. Let's wash this dirty hair. Look at that, just
what's
a mess.
that?
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give us something.
Yo, my hair is literally not trying to absorb this water.
Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. Says, my body, my body says, my mind, and my heart, my body says, I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. How long can you go?
So I am about to detangle my hair, and I'm nervous because I am only 2 months postpartum, and I already see a lot of hair shedding. Keep in mind, hair is supposed to shed, you know, so me keeping my hair in that puff, I was definitely gonna see some shedding, but it's a lot more than I'm normally used to when I do this to my hair. So yeah, this is where I am, and I didn't even detangle my hair yet. And yeah, I'm gonna cry if I'm bald head. I really am, because why? I'm already 2 months postpartum and fat, and you mean to tell me I gotta be fat and bald head? Get out of here. Call somebody else. Hang up on you. All right, so I'm gonna section this off. So thick. So I'm gonna work with this back section first. This section is detangled. Same thing, start with the bottom and work my way up. And I'm gonna just be gentle. I'm gonna put a bag on my head. Then we're gonna let this sit and come back and wash it. I'm back. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. All right, y'all. So my hair is t-shirt dried. This is what she's looking like. And I'm just gonna pull it up. We're gonna work in sections. I'm going to take my blow dryer and I'm gonna blow dry this hair just to get it as straight as I can. Let's do a length check for some shedding or some balding, and then show y'all the rest of the hair that came out for this part. So this is what it's looking like. All right, y'all, so this is my hair update. She looks great. Tell me about my front. Do y'all think I am postpartum hair loss shedding, or do y'all think it looks fine? I mean, I still got a lot of hair on my head even though I lost a lot. Let me show y'all what came out of the brush. So this is how much more hair that I lost. I'm not gonna leave my hair in a pineapple or just without being touched for that long, napping up like that, no more. I learned my lesson. But this is the last bit of shedding that I do have. I'm gonna continue to show you guys my hair in this journey, and if I am losing hair and postpartum shedding, I'll definitely update y'all. But so far this is where I'm at. Hopefully I'm just overreacting and my hairline is normal, looks normal, I guess. I'm gonna put a side by side of my hair before the baby, and this is my hair after baby. 2 months postpartum. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and me about to be on the verge of tears because my hair falling out. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm gonna see you babies next time. Yay!